Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my studio. If you're new here, my name's Michelle and this is Angel. Say hello. Okay, no. There she goes. And this is a channel all about learning how to paint in acrylic. So I have been painting and creating art all my life, and I have just amassed so much wonderful content in the form of little paintings like this little sunset at Joshua tree we did recently, as well as some larger paintings like the ones I have behind me. So in the 10 years that I've been teaching classes and the last few years that I've been teaching online, I want to share with you in this YouTube channel how to find fun and easy ways to improve your painting and create some gorgeous art along the way that you're going to enjoy giving away or hanging in your home, and or if you're a studio, to teach in your classes. So check out the YouTube channel videos, subscribe, like, all that good stuff. And thank you so much for being here. Can't wait to see what you paint.